My name is Mac, and today I will be briefly sharing some emerging media that you can incorporate into your classroom, at home, or beyond. Today, what I'll be showing you is an application called Beat Blender. This is a web-based application that was developed by and is offered by Google Creative Lab and is quite accessible. It's offered to users at no cost, so it's free to use, and the interface design is quite simple and easy to navigate. So Beat Blender is powered by artificial intelligence, more commonly known as AI, and specifically with this web-based application, Beat Blender uses something known as machine learning. And machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence in which the system or program uses artificial intelligence to enable itself to improve experience without being explicitly programmed to do so. So I will show Beat Blender now. So we first encounter the homepage of Beat Blender, and to enter into the application, I'll just hit the play button. And then we are met with what I think is quite a delightful interface. We have a colorful music canvas, and then we have a few editable options. So with Beat Blender, what we can do is we have the option to drag or draw. So I can drag this icon around on the music canvas, and to the right, you'll see some squares shifting. So those are different beats that are pre-programmed on the music canvas. I personally like the draw option. So if I just toggle this little button down here to draw, I can now free draw on the music canvas. An application like this could be really fun to use in a classroom with young learners who are maybe emergent in literacy or encountering alphabetic fluency for the first time. So maybe the letter of the day is the letter B. So using my mouse pad, I'll draw the letter B. And then to hear what the letter B may sound like, I'll hit the play button down here. And this icon will move along the lines that I've drawn. Down here, I can pause the sound, continue playing. I can change the speed of sound by adjusting the tempo. And then if I maybe want to try different beats or sounds, I just will click the edit corners down here, and then I have a selection of preset beats from different genres of music. So maybe I want to try pop punk, which will shift the sound. Maybe I want to try reggaeton. And then whenever I've finished editing, I'll just click done. And then that will reprogram the musical canvas. And an application like this can be really great in your classroom to expand the experience of literacy, as well as develop fine motor skills when interacting with tech. And it gives us an opportunity to experience musicality as well. So that is the Beat Blender app. And if we want to save a project, we can just go down here and click the save button. And then that should save our project for us. Thank you for exploring this emerging media tool with me.